Hello YouTubers, this is Nova Scotia Dave here. I wanted a bigger bucket for the back of my backhoe there, and I ended up finding this at the local hardware store. But the problem was that the top part here was too wide to fit onto my backhoe. And virtually this is about twice the size of the standard bucket that comes with the BX25D backhoe and that. So the problems I had was cutting and welding and everything else and that. So in the following videos and that, I showed you how that I attempted to cut those off there and weld them up there. So I hope you enjoy the videos. One removed, two more to do. I'll take those two off there. I think that one's okay to leave on there. They're like a bushing and that, so see how it goes. So now I got them all, the lugs taken off, ground down that. Now next thing I got to figure out is how I'm going to cut this and that, you know. Because right now I took off my quick attach, you know, to line everything up and that, you know, but there is quite a gap there, so I got to figure out my best move here of cutting it off and having strength, and that I'll probably end up trying to use the plasma cutter to cut through this, and that is fairly heavy plate, about 1/2 inch and that, so anyway, we'll see how it goes and I'll let you know. Here I started using a plasma cutter to start cutting off the brackets. The brackets are now cut off, so now I need to do is to grind the welds flush and clean up the brackets. Here I'm using my quick disconnect to align the brackets I cut off. I now remove the quick disconnect so it can be welded. Quick attachment that you'll have to end up getting. Getting so freaking hot still. Perfect. There she goes. Not too bad for an old fella, eh? Huh? You think? After installing the quick disconnect and the bucket on the tractor, I needed to do a function test to ensure there was clearance and the bucket moved freely. And now the tractor and the new bucket are ready to go.